Today, we embark on an unforgettable Dublin trip. So come along with us as we hit some of the most iconic pubs, enjoy the best Irish beer, visit must-see places such as the Trinity College, Temple Street bars, and Guinness Storehouse, and enjoy best food that Dublin has to offer. Your journey to Dublin begins now. We just finished visiting Amsterdam for 2 days and now heading back to Ireland. The flight journey back will also be on our channel soon, so be on the lookout for that.
Early, now we're going to talk to our traffic control and get in the queue. Hopefully they won't delay us too long on stand.
Anyways, welcome. We are the Ponds Adventure, and here on our channel we provide you with flights and hotel reviews. In addition, content like this to help you travel better. If this is something that interests you, consider subscribing. We have been traveling throughout Ireland and Netherlands and have documented our journey. From our travel from Philadelphia to Dublin, first few days in Athlone, Galway, and Cliffs of Moher. Also have documented 2 hotels that we have stayed at so far. So check those videos out after this one if you haven't already. We are now in Dublin and will be exploring what it has to offer for the next 2 days.
The Circle K.
We circled the Circle K. Why? Were you driving?
We arrive at the hotel. We are staying at the Aloft Dublin City and will have a review of this hotel soon. However, here's a quick tour of the room and some of the areas of the hotel. Then it was time for us to go out and enjoy some amazing food and hit iconic bars and clubs. E-man got a Guinness.
Authentic.
I finally got a 0 beer. I can't have alcohol. What is this one here? Yeah.
Is that beer or cider? Okay, that's why I'm like on ice. Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Cheers to beer. Esteban goes with them.
Hey, look at this man.
Yeah, right now it's starting to rain a little bit, but we just came from one club and we go to another one. Oh, was it a club or was it a pub?
Pub.
Oh, we just came from one pub and we go to another pub. So, yeah, anyways, that's what we're doing right now on one of our last night here in Dublin. So, yeah, it's really popping right now. It's midnight. So, anyways, come out here. There's a bunch of pubs that you can go to. So, no cap. That's where we're going now. What's it?
They just said. When the sky we look above.
Vamos, vamos.
Yes, you tell us.
This is not a shot. You can drink it as such, but you should sip it.
Can we just cheers?
Yeah, just cheer. Cheer it. Say, para arriba. Alright, ready? Slow chop. Ready? Oh, sorry, man. This is 0, guys. 0, 0, 0. Alright, this is 0, okay? The tradition, you gotta drink it to the G. So I'm gonna try it. Let's go. What are you talking about? It's not a big glass. It is a big glass. Leave it, man. I got it. I'm gonna try it.
You gotta show the logo.
Very nice. So, like, obviously, the most famous.
I tried, okay? I tried, people. Isn't that Russian?
Cheers. We're gonna try to drink to the G. That little curve.
Alright, ready, stay?
Ready?
Go.
Cheers.
Stop!
Oh, man.
Oh! Epic fail.
I gotta go to my
Day 2 started with the breakfast at the hotel. I'm always and will always be a sucker for hotel breakfast, especially if they have great breakfast, as this A-Loft hotel did. They had lots of variety to choose from. I, of course, went with the Irish platter that they had. The rest of the group decided to sleep in, but not me. After that, I decided to check out the rooftop patio and the bar. It was raining a bit, but it's still a cool place to check out the city. Then it was time to enjoy some zero beer and wait for the crew to come down. Now it's time to go see some more of the city, and the first place we want to check out is St. Patrick's Park. Alright, right now this is our final day here in Ireland, so we're just walking around right now, passing by the cathedral, and then we're gonna be making our way to the castle and get some food afterwards, and then continuing our tour right now. Shortly, we embark on our journey to Dublin Castle. Then it was time for us to venture around some more before finding a spot for more food.
That's the box. So it's just
I know that yolk.
One profit, people. One profit. That shit an extra.
The food place was by the Temple Street Bar, and from there we walked to Trinity College. Alright, I'm back now. We're here visiting Trinity College, and they have one of the infamous library that everybody comes to check out here. So we're gonna see if we can get in there. I think you have to pay to get in there, so we'll see. If there's space available for us to visit inside, we're gonna do that. If not, this is all you guys get to see, at least the exterior of the college. So it's one of the tourist attractions here in Dublin, so if you're definitely visiting here, please consider this area for you to see on your journey. After Trinity College tour, we had a pre-booking tickets to visit the Guinness Storehouse. The full video of this tour is on our channel and I will link it here. But expect to spend about 2 to 3 hours here. It was a great experience learning about the origin of the beer, how it is made, and also get a taste at the end of the tour.
Be a little surprise, you're ready. 4 pots. We can start from this. Is malted barley is the only source of sugar in the beer. This is a mini pie. It's very cute and you'll drink in a minute, but if you aren't 18 years old, you cannot take it. And we follow the policy 25. So if we believe you're under 25.
This is a self-guided tour, and for non-English speakers, they had the translation radio.
Y'all gotta show it too.
All right, let's go.
Alright, cheers. Or whatever they call it.
Good job.
Perfecto. I got mine at least there. Close enough.
So close.
Yeah. Riding the horse right now. Ride there. For our last dinner in Dublin, we enjoyed this Brazilian steakhouse. However, because of their popularity, they fill up quick. Recommendation is to make a reservation ahead of time. Yes, thank you. The pineapple is your favorite part?
Once you bite, this one, you see them on it, okay? It's already dripping. It burns a little bit.
You can't even talk anymore, it's so good. That's good, it's good. Then it was time for more pubs to end the night.
Don't take a picture of me or after what your iPhone.
Okay, that's good. You're already on my video, so. Like, where is that at? So right now we're just walking around the streets here, trying to check it out. What the nightlife looks like. As you can tell, it is super packed with a lot of people. It's everywhere. You can find people here. So definitely Dublin is where it's at. In comparison to Amsterdam, this is definitely a much better town if you're looking for a place to go party. We went to a lot of pubs while in Dublin, and I really can't tell you which one was the best, as all of them had a unique vibe. No matter what, each place had something different to offer. Whether it was live music, plenty of drinks, dancing, or just a place to enjoy your drink in a quiet atmosphere, Dublin had it all. Cards, playing pool, ending the night. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and got some idea on how a 2-day trip in Dublin will look like. If you enjoyed this video, smack the like button. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to our channel. Also, we will have the flight portion to and from Amsterdam and also our return to Philadelphia. So stay tuned for those videos. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.